I am so excited. I have to take a moment and eat some gummy worms and catch my breath. I have never got so many morels so quickly in one spot. I have done this to the bucket. Let's get some light in the bucket. This is the haul so far, and most of this in the past 8 minutes. That has taken me days before to harvest. Days. And I still see some in the ground, and that's part of the thrill. I just sit here and look at the ones I haven't picked yet. And it's like finding a needle in the haystack, but once you get locked in, you can find them. Look at that joker right there. I'm fully zoomed in. I'm 5 feet away and it's hardly visible.